Well, guys, we just got number 40 right in front of us there. Coming over this hilltop. Bunch of sign up here. Let's say February 5th, I think. Sweet. Wow, they got base out. It's all concaved in. That's cool. I've never found one like that. Huh. That's pretty deep in there. That's neat. First one I've ever found like that. Alright, like I said, number 40, and we're going to keep rolling. Don't really have a goal this year, just going to get as many as we can. Last year I wanted 100 real bad, so that's what we did. But we'll see what we end up with. Look at that thing. I just decided to come down and check out our local park. Man, that's a dandy there. Dang. That's the biggest one I found this year. Look at that thing. Heavy. I'm laying there a little bit. I drove right past him down in here. Right on top of this roll. Would be nice to find the other one. I'll take it.